Hello everyone, my name is Vincent and welcome back to my Sublimation channel. With the summer approaching, the temperature is getting higher and higher. So what's more refreshing than having a comfortable and high quality sweatshirt as your essential daily uses? I think nobody will be denial to it, right? So buckle up and let me introduce our newly launched Sublimation t-shirt to you in no time. So let's get started. Look at this t-shirt. No smudgings, strong adhesion and washable. Those properties are what makes our Sublimation t-shirt stand out from the crowd. Today, let me take you through with my comprehensive overview with this t-shirt, high quality definitely, and briefly introduce our customization services. The core product featured in this video is a Sublimation t-shirt I have in my hand right now, which is compatible to Sublimation transfer printing. Right now, I will provide a flat-out introduction of this t-shirt from production to customization to you. When it comes to production, we strictly stick to ISO quality standards. We have got the European REACH safety certification, and we only use green, eco-friendly materials. In terms of quality, whether it's like everyday fabrics like polyester, cotton-based blends, or other functional fabrics suitable for outdoor uses. So we are capable to achieve high-quality, perfect pattern design customization with full color and high-definition result. Next, I will do a hands-on demonstration on-site by this heat press sublimation machine to print something phenomenal for everyone, so you can witness the transfer effect directly by your eyes. Let's get started. The operation procedure is really simple, just 4 steps. First, edit your printed design on your Photoshop software. Second, wait for printer to procedure your sublimation paper. Third, place the sublimation paper with pattern and your t-shirt under the disposal of the heat press machine. 180 degrees and lasting 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, everything is done. Let's check out the result. Wow, so beautiful here. Look, the printed pattern has clear borders and without any smudging and stains at all. And the color has been fully infiltrated to the molecule of the fabric and is so bright and phenomenal. The color won't be easily fade off and the shape will remain amorphous even you intentionally stretch it, squeeze it, or rub it intentionally, which represents the texture is extremely top-notch. In regard to our Sublimation t-shirt application, we are covering a wide and various range from the daily apparel dressing for employees from the enterprise who's working every single day, that you can have your personalized patterns to put it on the upper left of this t-shirt that's right here. Furthermore, you can also apply your personalized design just like this symbolic badges onto the left sleeve of your t-shirt. We not only produce high-quality textile and clothing supplies, but also can handle various custom clothing projects, meeting the needs of both your individuals and business requirements. From fabric selection and product sampling to transfer printing and final product delivery, there is a dedicated person following up every single step, providing you a one-stop service with the aim of achieving the best result to you. As a professional sublimation provider, Prosub leverages its mature supply chain system and core technology to offer high-quality products and customized service to every single customer worldwide. Looking forward to working with you for mutual benefits and success. So that's all for the video today. I'm very appreciated that if you can repost and subscribe, smash the subscription button below for all of the content that really love into the sublimation content. Next video is in the pipeline, and thank you for your support once again. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.